Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
Today, we are traveling around Miyajima in Hiroshima.
Miyajima is famous for its beautiful sea, shrine, and floating Torii gate.
The official name of the island is Itsukushima.
But many people call it Miyajima, which means Shrine Island.
In this lesson, we will enjoy the ferry, the shrine, the mountain, and local food.
We will also learn simple English for scenery and feelings.
This lesson is made for beginners.
Please listen slowly and imagine that you are walking with us.
Today's key feeling is sacred beauty.
Sacred means connected with a god or a special spiritual place.
Let us begin our slow English trip to Miyajima.
Now we are on the ferry to Miyajima.
The sea breeze feels soft and fresh.
From the boat, the island slowly comes closer.
That slow movement makes the trip feel special.
A useful phrase is, the island is coming into view.
It means that we can begin to see the island.
This phrase is good for boats, trains, and mountains.
Let us say it slowly.
The island is coming into view.
Nice. The word view is very useful for travel English.
I can see the red Torii gate near the water.
Even from here, it has a calm and powerful presence.
This ferry ride gives us a gentle opening to the island.
Yes, Miyajima already feels different from the busy city.
Now we are walking along Omotesando Shopping Street.
This street feels lively, but not too busy.
We can see souvenir shops, food stands, and old-style signs.
This is a good place to learn casual travel English.
For example, we can try local sweets here.
That means we can eat sweets from this area.
Local means connected with this place.
So, local sweets means sweets from this area.
The smell from the shops makes the street feel warm.
That is a nice sentence for a travel diary.
We can say, the street has a friendly atmosphere.
Atmosphere means the feeling of a place.
Miyajima is not only a shrine place, it is also a town for visitors.
That balance makes the island easy to enjoy.
Now we are near the shore and deer are walking quietly.
They make the island feel gentle and natural.
The deer are beautiful, but we should respect them.
Yes, we can watch them without touching or feeding them.
A useful sentence is, the deer add charm to the island.
Charm means a pleasant and attractive quality.
So, this sentence means, the deer make Miyajima more attractive.
Let us repeat it slowly.
The deer add charm to the island.
Good. This is useful when an animal changes the feeling of a place.
Behind the deer, the sea and Torii gate create a peaceful scene.
Peaceful means calm and quiet.
This moment feels like a postcard from Japan.
Yes, it is simple, but very memorable.
Now, we are looking at the Great Torii Gate at high tide.
It looks as if it is floating on the sea.
As if means something looks that way, even if it is not exactly true.
That is a useful phrase for scenery.
We can say, the Torii gate looks as if it is floating.
This sentence gives a clear and beautiful image.
The red color stands out against the blue water.
Stand out means to be easy to notice.
The gate stands out, but it still feels calm.
That contrast is one reason Miyajima is so famous.
Let us say the main phrase slowly.
The Torii gate looks as if it is floating.
Beautiful. This is a perfect sentence for Miyajima.
Yes, it explains both the view and the feeling.
Now we are inside Itsukushima Shrine.
The wooden corridors feel elegant and quiet.
At high tide, the shrine buildings seem to stand on the sea.
That makes the architecture feel connected with nature.
A useful word here is corridor.
Corridor means a long passage inside a building.
We can say, the corridor leads us through the shrine.
Lead means to guide someone somewhere.
The corridor does not only connect buildings.
It also guides our eyes toward the sea and mountains.
That is a nice way to describe design.
Yes, simple English can still explain architecture.
This shrine feels sacred without being loud.
That quiet feeling is very powerful.
Now the tide is low, and the view has changed.
We can see the ground around the great Torii gate.
At high tide, the gate looks floating. At low tide, it looks close and strong.
This is a good chance to learn the word tide.
Tide means the regular rise and fall of the sea.
High tide means the sea is higher.
Low tide means the sea is lower.
We can say, the tide changes the whole view.
That is very true here.
The same place can feel like two different scenes.
That is why Miyajima is interesting at different times of day.
Let us say it slowly.
The tide changes the whole view.
Great. This phrase is simple but very useful.
Now, we are near Senjokaku and the 5-story pagoda.
This area feels different from the seaside shrine.
The wooden hall feels open and spacious.
Spacious means having a lot of room.
The pagoda rises above the trees and town.
Rise above means to stand higher than something around it.
We can say, the pagoda rises above the town.
That sentence is easy and visual.
Visual means easy to picture in your mind.
This scene adds height to our Miyajima trip.
We have seen the sea, and now we look upward.
That change keeps the trip from feeling the same.
Miyajima has many layers, not only one famous gate.
Yes, each layer gives us another English phrase.
Now we are walking through Momijidani Park.
The atmosphere is softer and greener here.
Momiji means maple leaves in Japanese.
This park is famous for seasonal colors.
A useful phrase is, the path is surrounded by trees.
Surrounded by means having something all around.
So the sentence means, trees are all around the path.
Let us say it slowly.
The path is surrounded by trees.
Nice! This phrase is useful for parks, gardens, and temples.
The shade makes the walk feel cool and calm.
Shade means a darker, cooler place away from direct sunlight.
After the bright red Torii gate, this green scene feels relaxing.
That color change gives the video a fresh rhythm.
Now we are going up toward Mount Misen.
The view becomes wider as we go higher.
Mount Misen is the highest mountain on Miyajima.
From the top, we can see the Seto Inland Sea.
A useful word here is panoramic.
Panoramic means a very wide view.
We can say, the mountain gives us a panoramic view.
That sounds natural for travel English.
The islands look small and peaceful from above.
From above means from a higher place.
The shrine was beautiful from the sea, and now the sea is beautiful from the mountain.
That is a nice contrast.
Miyajima gives us both close details and wide views.
That makes this trip feel complete.
Now it is time to enjoy Miyajima local food.
After walking so much, this feels perfect.
Miyajima is known for oysters, anago rice, and momiji manju.
Food helps us remember a place with our senses.
A useful phrase is, this local flavor completes the trip.
Local flavor means the special taste of an area.
Complete means to make something feel finished or whole.
So, the phrase means the food makes the trip feel whole.
Let us say it slowly.
This local flavor completes the trip.
Nice. That is useful for any travel video.
The sweet shape of momiji manju is also easy to remember.
Miyajima ends with a warm taste and a beautiful memory.
Yes, the island stays in both the eyes and the heart.
Now, let us review today's useful English phrases.
Please listen first, then repeat if you can.
The island is coming into view.
Good. This is useful when something appears slowly.
The street has a friendly atmosphere.
Atmosphere means the feeling of a place.
The deer add charm to the island.
Charm means a pleasant and attractive quality.
The Torii gate looks as if it is floating.
As if is useful when something looks a certain way.
The corridor leads us through the shrine.
Lead means to guide someone somewhere.
The tide changes the whole view.
This phrase is perfect for Miyajima.
The pagoda rises above the town.
Rise above means to stand higher than the area around it.
The path is surrounded by trees.
Surrounded by means something is all around it.
The mountain gives us a panoramic view.
Panoramic means very wide and open.
This local flavor completes the trip.
That is useful for food scenes in travel videos.
Great job. You learned many Miyajima travel phrases today.
Please use them when you talk about beautiful places in Japan.
Our slow English trip to Miyajima is almost finished.
Today, we enjoyed the ferry, the shrine, the Torii gate, the mountain, and local food.
Miyajima is famous, but it also feels quiet and personal.
The tide changes the view, and the island changes our feeling.
That is why this place is easy to remember.
Today's final phrase is Miyajima stays in my heart.
It means that the memory of Miyajima will remain with me.
Let us say it slowly.
Miyajima stays in my heart.
Beautiful. That is a simple and warm sentence.
Thank you for traveling with us today.
Please listen again and practice the phrases slowly.
See you in our next slow English journey.
Goodbye and have a peaceful day.